Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is LabriaCraFtss, and in today's video we are going to be starting our Pride collection. If y'all don't know, I haven't been to Pride in probably like 3-4 years, but I'm excited for this year's Pride because one, it is my 2nd year married, and Pride is doing my wedding anniversary weekend so it starts May 23rd to June 8th. Today is May 13th, and I already started on a granny square bra top. So this is the first cup. I am doing this colorway, the regular Pride, gay Pride flag way. I'm doing trans, lesbian, and bisexual. I don't really know too many demisexuals, asexual, pansexuals. I don't really know too many, and I thought about doing the BDSM flag, but I don't know yet. So we're gonna be working on the bra tops this episode, because this is episode 1. But yeah, I just wanted to come tell you guys what we're doing today so I can get started, because I'm really excited. And this cup is cute. It's really cute, and it glows. It glows, and I'm gonna try to remember to show y'all that it glows in the dark. So, and I am doing a pair of shorts, but I have to go get more red because I don't have that much red and yellow. I mean yellow and red, yellow, and green. I don't have that much, so I need to go pick those up, but I'm not gonna be able to go today. Hey y'all, it is Monday. What's today, the 18th? The 19th. It's about like 2:30 something. We're currently about to walk into the gym, doing some different things, changing our ways, trying to be consistent. But yeah, we're at Planet Fitness. Yeah, fun. Back from the gym. It is 5:17. Already ate. We had Spice Black. It is a black owned. It's similar to Chipotle, but personally I think it's better. I didn't take a picture of my food, y'all, because I was so hungry. It was so good. But now I'm actually about to wind down and relax. I did get a package in the mail. So Famous Skincare. If y'all are not familiar with Being So Famous, Banky and Takia and Vi with P, y'all should really check them out. But she came out with some skincare, and I seen real results in her skin and all of their skin. So I had to try it out for myself, even though I don't have pretty bad skin, but I do have some blemishes and stuff. Things I want to like eliminate. So I'm really about to relax for a little bit. But I did start the Bi flag one. Now that it's light in here, I don't know. I need to, I don't know. I think it's really cute, but I'm not like too sure right now. But I think this is really cute. I think they're gonna be adorable. So I gotta make the second one. This was used with I Love This Yarn. No, that is, yeah, I think that's what it is, y'all. I really don't know. This is Loops and Threads, and this is Big Twist. So I had to use 3 different color, like 3 different yarn brands, I guess. Just wanted to come up to y'all, talk to y'all. It is a whole new week too, by the way. Like, it is a brand new week. It's I don't be feeling like it, okay? And if I don't feel like it, I'm not gonna force it, because the energy will not be good on camera. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bi triangles are done, and the pride triangles are done. Now we're about to do the trans for our piece now. And these are all the same yarn, so I'm actually really happy about that. Really happy. I'll come back. I'm gonna make all of the cups first, and then I'll come back when I have all of the cups first. And I'm gonna come back when I have the next, well, the last color set that we're doing. So the lights is dim, so let me turn them up and go to the light. Oh, this one is fine. But I am getting tired of making granny squares, so we're gonna go ahead and switch to putting them together. So we have the trans flag. This might be my favorite one, y'all, I can't lie. So cute. Then we have the pride, normal pride color, the rainbow. Then we have the Bi. Didn't make the lesbian because I still have to run out and go get that yarn. I don't know when I'll be able to go get that yarn. So we're about to put these together. Okay. And I am gonna size down to a 5.75. But I am gonna start with combining this one because this yarn is still out. I have to dig for that yarn. first top is done. I still gotta weave in the ends, but it's overall done. I'm really excited about this. This is so cute. But yeah, let me just. I'm about to get started on. I'm literally working backwards. I don't know why, but I'm about to get started on this one. And I know exactly why I'm about to get started on this one, because the scheme for this one is this big twist 1 pound value pound. It's in the way, so we gotta hurry up and be done. And I gotta cut these things. Okay, y'all. Okay. Hey y'all, so it is a few days later, but I am finally done with all of the bralettes that I wanted to make. I'm super excited to post those. I have to go outside and get some footage of them. I was going to take a clothing rack outside, but I think I'm going to put it on the fence, because I just feel like that's, like, I don't know. But y'all are going to come with me, and y'all going to watch me, like, probably struggle to get these pictures in these videos, because I want to do, like, a promo video that I gotta, like, you know. So I'm about to actually, I have on some boxers, but I'm about to put on some shorts so I can go outside, because it is, no, I'll probably put on some pants because it is cold. Let me see. 61 degrees. It is cold outside, so I am about to put on some pants and we're gonna go outside. Don't mind my shirt, y'all. I was supposed to cut it, but I cut it wrong, so we just go like that. Okay. Okay, so let me get up and do what I need to do. Y'all want to see my cat? This girl is muddy. It's making me upset because y'all not seeing how vibrant and like how good these tops really look in person, because, oh, well, you can see it a little bit, but it's not like, these things are so pretty. Like, I'm so excited. The trans one is one of my favorites because of the way the colors came out. Like, they're so cute. And again, I'm not forgetting about my lesbian sisters, because I am a lesbian myself, but I don't have the extra 3 colors I need to make the top, and I can't go get them because I'm on a yarn buying ban. So just for right now, at this very moment, I can't go get them right now. I may go get them later because I am going out later. Don't be too loud while I'm recording, thank you. But I am going out later, but it is also my wedding anniversary weekend, so I'm not going to be too focused on this. I'm going to be focused on spending time with my wife, and it's Memorial Day weekend as well, so it's just like, you know. But these are the lovely tops. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of me for finally sticking to what I said I was going to do, and really going through with creating a pride line, because who would have known? Who would have known that I created this? Like, look at that. Okay, so I am about to look at the pictures I took. This is a video, but the pictures I took, I don't think you understand. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I'm like extremely excited because I tried to do this with breast cancer, the breast cancer month last year, but I just could not bring myself to finish the items that I needed to make in order to make like a pre-order post on social media. But I'm really excited for following my dreams and doing things that I set out to do, and believing in myself and pushing myself even when I didn't want to finish it. It may not be a lot to y'all, but it's a lot to me to finish 3 complete bralettes with my label on it. Seeing my label on a bralette is like crazy. Like, that is really insane to me. But I gotta edit. So I'm currently editing this video, and then I have to edit this video to make it like a montage. No, not a montage, like a cinematic film. Yeah, so I don't know, y'all. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Why is my focus doing that? That's ugly. Stop it. Keep God first always. Love on yourself. Be kind to others. Be kind to yourself. And if someone don't like you, that's on them. Be yourself and give yourself your 100% always, at all times. Okay. Bye.